Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things, of course, that we heard with the Microsoft information that was given out by Panos Panay is that Windows 11 is loved and people are really happy with it. So, of course, one of the things that you want to do is test that out if indeed people love the operating system and if people are that happy. Now, I'll have my own little test here, and if you wish, you can answer yes or no to the question that I'll post. Please be courteous and no bad language, because I will remove the comments. So according to Windows Central, they did their own survey on their site where they say that more than 51% of people using Windows 11 are happy and find it really cool and are, find it refreshing to have the new operating system. So that's from Windows Central. Of course, Microsoft says people love Windows 11, but of course they won't say that people won't love Windows 11. That's for sure. Now here, let's do our own little survey here of all the people that will watch this video. What do you think of Windows 11? Do you love it or not? So you can say, yes, I love it. No, I hate it. You don't have to go into details. It could be as simple as love it, hate it. That's it. So post your comments below. And what we're going to do, we're going to let the system go for, the video go for a day or two. And I'm going to come back with our own statistics here, because I'll be, of course, taking the amount of posts of loving it or hating it, and we'll be posting my own findings of what's the percentage that people that love it or not on this channel. So take the time to answer. It'll be fun to actually look at that statistic here. So according to Windows Central, 51% love it. According to Microsoft, people love Windows 11. What about you? You love it or hate it? Please post that answer in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.